Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily change your password in the Play Store app. Friends, please put your likes under the video, be sure to write comments after watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get into this topic. And I'm going to show you the whole process from the beginning. Okay friends, I recommend that you always sign in through Gmail. So please open up your Gmail. Then on the top right, click on your image and then select Manage Account. Next, here you will have a menu like this. Swipe it to the side and select Security. After that, friends, scroll down a little bit, you'll see a password option. Click on that. Then in order to change your password, you'll need to enter your new password. Then you will need to repeat it and click Save Password. If you don't remember your password, then that's okay. You can just change it to a new one. This is not a big deal because you will not be asked for your current password. So changing your password in the Play Store app is directly linked to your Google account because the Play Store is a Google app. In this way, you can change your password in Play Store app on your Android very quickly and easily. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, also write comments and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.